everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my yearly rolling project pan update. I haven't updated you guys in a bit, but I do have a rollout to share with you all. So if you love project pan videos, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So the product that I finished off actually, and I was actually surprised because I was reaching into this product to apply it, and it's the Uma Beauty Trip and Smooth powder in the shade Light. And this is all done. It looks like there's product in there, but there is not. I was actually really surprised that I finished it so quickly. So this product, I used it a total of 35 times, and for the month of April, it was only 4 times. So 6 times in January, 15 times February, 10 in March, and 4 in April. I was surprised how much product I didn't have left to use up. I thought there was more than that, but 35 uses and I finished this off, so that is good. I'm gonna roll in another powder, but I'll share that at the end of this video. Another product that I was surprised that I hit pan, well actually I'm gonna go down my list so I'm not jumping back and forth. Okay, so next up is my Peaches and Cream bronzer. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I can see a dent on this, and I can kind of start seeing the rings on here, so maybe in the next update I will have a pan. We'll see. I don't know. You can kind of see the rings right there on camera, so we will see. But I have used this bronzer a total of 44 times, and for the month of April I used it 14 times. Pretty much the bronzer that I use every single day. I do also shop my stash, so I try to rotate products every other time as well, so I can use stuff in my stash and also project pan items. But again, I see the rings on here, so I feel like maybe in the next few months I will have this done, or hit pan. The next few months I'll hit pan, so that'll be exciting to share with you all. Next up, my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And it looks like mine is used up. I had pan initially, but I do feel like the pan is getting bigger. I would have to see pictures to really compare. But for a total usage, I've used this a total of 37 times, which that does not seem like a lot, so I better get some more uses in this. So for the month of April, I used it 11 times. Yeah, and every other time before then was 5, 7, and 7. And then in May right now I have 7, so I need to use this more. But it's really beautiful. It is the highlighter I'm wearing on my cheeks today. It is very beautiful again and pretty blinding, and it was limited edition. Again, this is in Champagne Pop in collab with Jaclyn Hill. Really beautiful highlighter. I really enjoy the Becca formula, but for right now we're trying to use this up. And I don't know, I'm hoping to finish this off by the end of the year, but I don't think that's going to happen, honestly. Maybe if I could at least use it up half of it, that would be good, but my goal is to finish it, but I don't know if that's really gonna happen. We will see. Next up I have is my Becca, got a couple of Becca products in this project. So this is the Becca Under Eye Corrector, Brightening Corrector in the shade Light to Medium. And I have had pan, and I am starting to work on the sides because I do see a few edges where it's starting to get thinned out. Right now I'm currently using my new Kosas corrector, so I've kind of been neglecting this and I haven't really been using it a lot, but I need to use this more. Again, I've used it a total of 35 times, and for the month of April I used it 7 times. That is not good. Again, I need to use this more, so I definitely have to start at least like every other day to start using this and make more progress. I'm about done. It's definitely more than half of the product left over, so I need to get on that. What is your favorite corrector right now? I've really been enjoying the new Kosas one. I also picked up the Cali Ray, but definitely need more corrector. So I've really been enjoying the Kosas more than the Cali Ray. Okay, next up is my Fenty Gloss, which I actually left it at work. I will take a picture of it, insert it in this video once I edit, but I used that a total of 99 times. I've been using that baby every time I'm at work. I forgot, I actually brought it last week and I didn't film, so then this week when I'm actually filming, I left it at work. But for the month of April, I used it 24 times, and I do count it as a usage when I reapply, because a lot of the time I just reapply my lip gloss or whatever lip product I'm wearing and don't reapply. So I'm still counting it as an extra usage when I'm reapplying. It works perfectly to have it at work because I am constantly reapplying at work than having it here in my makeup room, only using it once or twice. So again, I use it up to 3-4 times a day at work. I really like the Fenty Beauty glosses. That color's okay. It's not really my favorites, but the Fenty Beauty gloss is really, really nice. So I've really been enjoying using it. It's about done. I know I am doing really good on that one because constantly reapplying again, but I've really been enjoying it. Next up is my Clinique foundation. This is the Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15. It's supposed to even and correct, and I have the shade WN38 Stone. And I haven't really been marking it, but I kind of can tell that the foundation is kind of settled down here, like around there somewhere. And it's not a very long-lasting foundation. It is okay. I feel like it's more of a skin tint, and I feel like by the end of the day it doesn't really last on me, reasoning why I feel like it's more of a skin tint than a foundation. I thought about taking it out and decluttering it from my collection, but I think since I'm like about down here, I kind of want to give it another month, maybe two, maybe another month, and try to get more use out of it, and then I can take it out of my collection, just because again I don't feel like it's pretty long lasting. I wear it to work and stuff, but again, it's not something I would repurchase. It's okay. If I'm gonna wear foundation, might as well wear an actual foundation and not skin tint. I wouldn't repurchase it, so yeah. Next up is my Makeup by Mario concealer. I've used it a total of 32 times, and for the month of April, I've only used it 4 times. That is bad. I kind of had gotten to a point where I wasn't really liking this. A little bit of this, I need more than a little bit of this in my under eyes, because if I overly apply, I find that my under eyes crease really badly. And if I don't set really well, it's even worse. So I kind of was neglecting it until recently. I started using it again and just applying a little bit of it with a lighter concealer, because this one's more of like my skin tone, so it doesn't really brighten the under eyes, which I did use today. And I mixed it with my Danessa Myricks concealer, and I've been enjoying that combination. And I'm trying not to go up too high either, to go where my fine lines are. But I don't think I would repurchase this once I finish it off. I just feel like it really enhances my fine lines. And again, I'm not like in love with it, so I do want to finish it off. And yeah, we'll take it out of my project once I'm done with that. One that I was actually surprised. So when I was using it one day, I noticed I had pan, and then it's just gotten bigger. So this is the Chantecaille shade in the shade Grace, which is the Sea Turtle. I used to have a Sea Turtle on there, and now the Sea Turtle was gone. I had a little dip, and now I have a big old pan there. I'm pretty excited to finish this off. My goal is to finish it, so hopefully I will meet my goal by the end of the year. And it's pretty subtle, so I do find myself having to apply a lot of this, because I feel like it's just a little too light on me. But again, I've been enjoying wearing it, and the times that I can get the pigment up, it's pretty nice. Again, I was surprised when I actually hit pan, because I didn't even know I hit pan the previous time when I saw there was pan. I don't know if that made sense. So the time that I used it, I didn't know I had hit pan the previous time. That doesn't make sense. Do you know what I mean? You guys know what I mean, right? Like, I had hit pan, I didn't even notice until the next time I used it. So for the month of April, I used it 12 times, and total usage of 31 times to hit pan. So I'm excited. I'm looking forward to keep using this again and finishing it off. Let's see, next up is the NYX lip liner, and this one I just tallied it up a little bit. You can see I was able to add another line to this. I'll insert a picture of it. It is pretty nice. I feel like I like the Milani all natural lip color more than this one. This one definitely is more brown, hence the name. It's called Soft Brown. It's a NYX lip liner, and it's pretty affordable. These are really nice, and yeah, it's been doing the job. I don't really, again, line my lips very often, but I did a little bit today. Total usage of this has been 17 times, and for the month of April, I used it twice. Okay, Mariela, you need to use it at least 10 times. Okay, we are gonna write that down. Mental note. Though on the other hand, the one I use every single day, every time I get ready, is my LA Colors eyeliner. This is in the shade Black Brown. I've used it a total of 71 times, and for the month of April, I used it 18 times. Again, anytime I'm doing my makeup, this is what I'm applying in my waterline, the upper waterline. Then I will count it as another usage if I end up using it as a liner on my lids. Most of the time, it's only one usage, but here and there, I'll throw it on the actual lids and count it as 2 uses a day. That's just how I do it. I enjoy tight lining in my upper waterline, because it just makes the lashes look a little thicker. My makeup looks a little smoky today. Can have a little sultry, smoky look here and there. Anywho, I like this liner. It's almost done, as you can see there. I am gonna use it until I can't sharpen it anymore, and for right now, I'm still able to sharpen it, so I will keep using it. Okay, I got 2 more to go. The next one is my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this one, had a big old dent when I first put it in here. So I've used it a total of 53 times, and for the month of April I used it 17 times. I've really been enjoying this. I think it does a really great job to smooth out the pores. This is all I have left, so again, I am about done with it, and I pretty much use it every single day when I'm getting ready. Again, I try to use it every single time. Here and there I forget, but it's about done. I'm almost done, and I don't like sticking my fingers in product a lot of the time, so I'm thinking if I repurchase this, it's gonna be the one in the tube that they came out. I heard it's as good as this one, so I would love to try that one out, but for right now we're focusing on using this one up, and as you can see, it's about done. So did I say, I think I said how many times I used it. Yes, I think so. Okay, next up, or lastly, is my Milani liquid bronzer. This is the Conceal and Perfect in the shade 01 Honey. This is a never-ending bronzer. I feel like there's always products left over on the sponge as well, and then there's product like in the cap, so it's pretty much like down to here, but again, there's still product. I think in the next few months it might be done, but for right now it's still going strong. So for the Milani bronzer, I've used it a total of 55 times, and for the month of April I used it 15 times, and I already have 7 uses on it for May, so we're going strong still. This is a really good bronzer. I like the shade of it as well. I would repurchase, I actually really like it, and I like how small and compact it is. It's pretty good if you are eyeing it or thinking about getting a new liquid contouring shade. Definitely pick it up. It's really, really nice. So since I have one empty to share with y'all, which is my Uma Beauty loose powder here, I am going to bring in another powder, and that is going to be the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. This is in the shade L1 Porcelain. I do plan on just using this to set the under eyes because it is a lighter shade, as you can see there, and it's actually pretty smoothing and really nice, so I'm looking forward to using this up. There is a slight dip going on, but I don't see rings or anything yet, so I'm thinking this is gonna last a few months, probably 3 to 6 months. We will see how long it takes, but I don't really reach for pressed powders anymore, and I'm trying to slowly finish them, or I've gotten rid of some that I don't really enjoy using. So I think I only have like 3 more pressed powders in my collection. So I mostly just have loose powders in my collection, but figured let's throw us in this project and try to finish it off. So those are all the products in this project pan. Let me know if you're doing any projects. I can go and check out your update. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!